Today, in Quizzing with Digital Generation, we will continue MCQs from Chemistry, Class 10, Chapter Metal and Non-Metal. You can answer them in the comment box while watching. Let's start. Question number 1. The metals which can produce amphoteric oxides are option A. Sodium and aluminium, B. Zinc and potassium, C. Calcium and sodium, D. Aluminium and zinc. The correct answer is option D. Aluminium and zinc. Question number 2. An element X forms two oxides, XO and XO2. The oxide XO is neutral but XO2 is acidic in nature. The element X is most likely to be option A. Sulfur, B. Carbon, C. Calcium, D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is option B. Carbon. Question number 3. The elements whose oxides can turn litmus solution blue are option A. Carbon and sulfur, B. Sodium and carbon, C. Potassium and magnesium, D. Magnesium and sulfur. The correct answer is option C. Potassium and magnesium. Question number 4. The elements whose oxides can turn litmus solutions red are option A. Lithium and sodium, B. Copper and potassium, C. Carbon and hydrogen, D. Phosphorus and sulfur. The correct answer is option D. Phosphorus and sulfur. Question number 5. An element E reacts with water to form a solution which turns phenolphthalein solution pink. The element E is most likely to be option A. Sulfur, B. Calcium, C. Carbon and D. Silver. The correct answer is option B. Calcium. Question number 6. An element reacts with oxygen to give a compound with a high melting point. This compound is also soluble in water. The element is likely to be option A. Calcium, B. Carbon, C. Silicon, D. Iron. The correct answer is option A. Calcium. Question number 7. Which one of the following four metals would be displaced from the solution of its salt by the other three metals? Option A. Zinc, B. Silver, C. Copper, D. Magnesium. The correct answer is option B. Silver. Question number 8. An element is soft and can be cut with a knife. It is very reactive and cannot be kept open in the air. It reacts vigorously with water. The element is most likely to be option A. Magnesium, B. Sulfur, C. Phosphorus, D. Sodium. The correct answer is option D. Sodium. Question number 9. Which of the following metal exists in the liquid state? Option A. Sodium, B. Silver, C. Chromium, D. Mercury. The correct answer is option D. Mercury. Question number 10. Which of the following non-metal is a liquid? Option A. Carbon, B. Sulfur, C. Bromine and D. Iodine. The correct answer is option C, bromine. We will continue with the next chapter in the coming week, and don't forget to let us know how many of them you got right.